You are welcome to today's lesson. We are furthering our discussion on rigid motion 2. Our subtopic for discussion is rotation through 270 degrees anticlockwise. Now let's bear in mind that rotation through 90 degrees clockwise about the origin will produce the same result as rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise about the origin. I would like to demonstrate to you rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise. Remember, I stated that 270 degrees anticlockwise rotation will produce the same result as 90 degrees clockwise rotation. In our previous discussion, we were asked to plot the triangle ABC, and also the triangle ABC was rotated through 90 degrees clockwise rotation, and that produced the image triangle A1, B1, C1. I would like to plot the same triangle ABC and rotate it through 270 degrees anticlockwise to see whether it will produce the same result as we have over here as point A, B, and C. To do that, I'm going to use GeoGebra. What we have over here is the triangle ABC. So point A is 2, 4, B is 3, 6, and C is 6, 6. And that was the same set of points we used in our previous discussion. To rotate this, remember I'm going to look for rotate around point. So I'll click on rotate around point, and remember that I am to rotate this triangle about the origin. I'm going to change the figures over here to the symbol alpha because that is what we have over here. Alpha represents the various rotations we can perform, and we are performing an anti-clockwise rotation, so I'll leave counterclockwise ticked and press OK. Now let's move the angle. So this is 90 degrees anti-clockwise rotation, and I move a step forward. This is 180 degrees anti-clockwise rotation. When I come down, we see the object, we see the image triangle produced down here, and that is not what we are looking for. So I'll move a step forward. One step forward is 270 degrees anti-clockwise rotation. Now let's observe the image triangle produced. So from the point A, the image point is positive 4 on the x-axis and negative 2 on the y-axis. Let's see if that was what we produced. So positive 4, negative 2. Let's go to the next point, point B. Point B produced positive 6 on the x-axis and negative 3 on the y-axis. So positive 6, negative 3. That is the same point we have here. And the last point is C1, which is positive 6 on the x-axis and negative 6 on the y-axis. So when we come here, let's observe point C. This is positive 6 on the x-axis and negative 6 on the y-axis. So this clearly confirms that indeed rotation 90 degrees clockwise will produce the same result as rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise. Now rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise implies that anytime I have an object point xy and I'm rotating through 270 degrees anticlockwise, the x coordinate moves down and is negated, whilst the y coordinate moves up. Let's look at an example. In this example, we have to find the images of the following points under the rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise about the origin. The first point is 6, 2. The second point is negative 4, negative 1. In our solution, remember that anytime we have an object point xy and we are rotating through 270 degrees anticlockwise, the x coordinate moves down and is negated, whilst the y coordinate moves up. Remember the first point given was 6, 2. I can rewrite this in a colon form, and to rotate through 270 degrees anticlockwise, the x coordinate, which is 6, moves down and is negated, whilst the y coordinate, which is positive 2, moves up, and that will produce the image point 2, negative 6. The second point was negative 4, negative 1, and I can rewrite it in a colon form. And remember that in rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise, the x coordinate, which is negative 4, moves down and is negated, so negative multiplying negative becomes positive 4. And the y coordinate, which is negative 1, is moved up. And that will produce the new image point, negative 1, positive 4. Now let's look at our assignment for the lesson. In this assignment, you are to find the images of the following points under the rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise about the origin. Remember, we stated that rotation 270 degrees anticlockwise is the same as rotation 90 degrees clockwise. And the points are A, 5, 5, and B, 1, negative 3. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next lesson.